Hey, we're Team 9. We're going to give you a brief introduction of our application, National Highway Fatality Analysis Reporting System. We wanted to take an active role in order to help the potential users such as government officials, police, and others to understand the trends of car accidents that are occurring across the nation. Our application is split up into three main sections. The first is an EMS system. EMS system is a search engine that enables the user to find the 5 nearest hospitals based on the longitude and the latitude. The second is data entry, which allows the users to update new information into the existing database that is used to generate the visualization. The third is a visualization tool. This visualization tool takes statistics from 2010 to 2014 and has 3 dynamic reports: general accident information, driver protection information, and information based on accidents with young drivers. To begin with, we will take you through the EMS system. This optimizes the 5 nearest hospitals around the accident site. First, click on the button indicating EMS system. Type in your latitude and then your longitude and then click search. So here I have 32 degrees and then negative 86. And I click on search. So in just a few moments, there will be a result page with 5 of the closest hospitals. Here's the result page showing the 5 closest hospitals to the accident site. When you're finished, just hit the black button and you'll be simply taken back to the main page. Now we will take you through data entry, which allows you to input a new crash. From the main page, click on the Input Data button. This will take you to another page where you can put in any information about a new crash. The data input will take many attributes, including your basic information, time, and location, details of the accidents including weather, interchange area, specific location, the time of arrival for the EMS at the scene, and the number of fatalities. Once you're finished, just click the Submit button and a message will pop up that says the data has successfully been added into the database. Simply hit OK and then you'll be taken back into the main page. Lastly, we set up a visualization tool to help the user understand the historical and current trends of car accidents from various parameters. If you click on the General Accident Information button, it will take you to a dashboard that summarizes the data that has been provided. It gives you from a very broad perspective, such as the number of crashes by state, to something more of a granular perspective, including number of crashes with drunk drivers by hour and month in the selected state. The General Accident Information tab consists of dynamic and static charts, allowing the user to compare and contrast between various dimensions. If you click at the back button at the bottom of the page, it will take you back to the main screen. Here are the other 2 tabs: Occupant Protection Information, or Fatalities and Occupant Protection, and Young Driver Fatal Crash Report. These reports delve into other current trends that may be important to the user. Fatalities and Occupant Protection Information focuses on the safety levels of individuals in fatal car accidents. First, you will see a graph that refers occupants killed by age and sex in select state. This can be compared to national numbers on the left-hand side. On the far right, there is a map indicating the percentage of unrestrained occupants in fatal crash. If you hover your mouse over the state, you will see the percentage of unrestrained occupants in each state. The rest of the graph below breaks down the restrained and unrestrained fatalities using different dimensions, including gender and seating positions. Again, clicking the back button at the bottom of the page should take you back to the main screen. Last, if you click the Young Driver Information tab, there are some set of graphs that include information about young drivers that have been involved in fatal crashes. These range from time series graphs to even radar charts. And for instance, in this particular chart, single-handed vehicle fatalities constitute a little more than 20% and is higher than single vehicle fatalities ages in 45 to 54. The next set of graphs breaks down the age group that has the highest amount of fatality crashes, which is ages 15 through 20. A user can look at these data graphs as reference. Again, hitting the back button at the bottom of the page will take you back to the main page. As you can see, our application is intended to help the user make critical decisions in order to help and prevent more fatal crashes in various areas. Thanks for watching.